Presenting Rex, 5.5 feet by 2.5 feet bathtub. A freestanding bathtub with stainless steel stand, and a front panel making it portable and very easy to install. All of our bathtubs are made from premium quality acrylic sheets, and are reinforced with fiberglass to provide optimum strength to the unit. Every bathtub is silken, and tender on touch, but can withstand 1,000 kilograms, so that you can soak into your bathing experience without a care for anything. Each of our bathtub comes with anti-skid surface at the base, to provide you with ample grip while standing. All bathtubs come with an easy push to open and close waste outlet for drainage, and a soft vacuum-based headrest. Our bathtubs are available in 10 different colors. The unit can be modified according to your need and bathroom layout. You can communicate your requirement via the seller message. All of our bathtubs comes with 3 years of manufacturing warranty and an award-winning after-sales service anywhere in India.